Hey everyone, so when you install Playwright, you're not just getting one tool. Nope, you're getting an entire fully stocked toolkit for web testing. So what I want to do today is just take a super quick look inside that box and see everything you get right from the get-go. Okay, let's be real for a second. Setting up a web testing environment, it can be, well, a real headache. For the longest time, you had to hunt down and piece together a bunch of different packages and then just cross your fingers and hope they'd all play nicely together. It honestly felt like you were assembling some kind of complex puzzle. You needed an automation library over here, then a totally separate test runner, an assertion library, the right browser drivers, the list just goes on. And each piece had to be configured and maintained on its own, which was a huge time sink before you could even write a single line of test code. But this is where Playwright just completely changes the game. See, it isn't just another piece of that puzzle. A much better way to think of it is like a complete, fully stocked toolbox for web testing. One installation and you are ready to go. So what's actually in this toolbox? Come on, let's take a tour. First up, right at the top of our toolbox, we've got the heart of the whole system, the Playwright library itself. This is the core engine that makes everything else tick. This is the magic right here. This is the part that actually talks to the browsers. It gives you the power to automate literally anything a real person can do. Opening up websites, clicking on buttons, filling out forms. This library is the absolute foundation for every test you're going to write. Okay, so let's grab the next tool in our kit, which builds right on top of that library. We're talking about the test runner, which is officially called Playwright Test. Having automation is one thing, but you need a framework to organize and run your tests in a smart way. And this is a big one, you guys. Playwright Test gives you the whole structure to write your tests and the expect function to check if things are actually working correctly. But here's where it gets really, really cool. Features like running tests in parallel and automatically retrying failed tests are built right in. These are pro-level tools that can slash your testing time, and you get them immediately with zero extra setup. All right, this next part is a huge convenience that I swear saves so much time and frustration. Playwright doesn't just control browsers. It actually manages them for you. Just think about that for a second. When you install Playwright, it downloads its own private, self-contained versions of the browser engines. This means you don't have to worry about what version of Chrome is on your machine or deal with those pesky, complicated browser drivers. It just works, period. And that ensures your tests are rock solid and consistent across all the major browsers. Now for one of my absolute favorite tools in the box, especially if you're just starting your journey with web testing. Let's talk about the test generator, also known as CodeGen. This thing is just brilliant. You fire up CodeGen and boom, it opens a browser window. Then you just start clicking around your website. You type in a search bar, login, whatever. And as you do it, Playwright is watching you and writing the test code for those actions automatically. It's like having a helpful little assistant just taking notes for you. This right here is the key takeaway. If you are new to testing, CodeGen is your fast track. It totally lowers the barrier to entry, letting you create your first real, working test in just a few minutes, simply by using your website like you normally would. And finally, we get to the tools that help you when things go wrong. Because let's face it, tests are going to fail sometimes. That's kind of their job. But figuring out why they failed, well, that's the hard part. This is where the Trace Viewer is an absolute lifesaver. It creates a complete recording of your test run. We're talking screenshots, network logs, console messages, the whole shebang. When a test fails, you can open this trace file and step through it action by action to see exactly what the browser was seeing at the very moment of failure. It's basically time travel for debugging your tests. So to wrap it all up, when you run that one little installation command, you aren't just getting a library. You're getting the automation engine, a super powerful test runner, the browsers themselves, and world-class debugging tools. It's a complete, modern, end-to-end testing solution, all in a single package. So there you have it, a complete toolkit to get you started and make you successful with web testing. With all these amazing tools at your fingertips, the only question left is, what are you going to test first?